So we are on the highway now at highway speeds 100 kilometers per hour. At this point, the engine is spinning at around 2700 rpm, which is what you'd expect for a vehicle with a 4-speed automatic gearbox. Once it gets up to highway speed, it's fairly fuss-free affair. The steering has a good bit of heft to it, I feel. It's a little heftier than your typical Japanese sedan. Braking seems to be quite sure-footed as well. You've got front discs and rear drums. What I feel is in certain cars I've encountered at or close to highway speeds, you get an annoying hum that comes, but that is not present in this Saga. So that is another positive for you. Actually fairly hushed in here. You just have a bit of wind noise. You can hear the engine in the distance. And once again, yeah, that makes it ideal for leisure and tourism purposes, if you will. If we shift our attention to the center stack here, we've got a touchscreen floating style infotainment system, which you can see offers radio, it offers telephone connectivity. You've also got a camera option there for videos. It's fairly intuitive to use. Below that you have the AC vents, which for this Saga they moved down. I think around 2019 is when the AC vents were moved down to accommodate this new floating style infotainment system. And of course you also have what is quite a powerful air conditioner here. There's no heater. You won't really find a heater in the Saga or many of Proton's models at this level or even the level above. But what's there is an air conditioner, and it's keeping us quite chilled on this sunny day.